to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, 30th of January. Let's look at euro dollar, which has been sort of threatening a correction, but again, the euro has sort of been bouncing off this support. You had that breakout support that was left at 23.20. You have broken the uptrend, but you've again look 23.35 today. Yesterday. And again this morning, 23.35. So there is a basis of support around that breakout, and whilst that breakout remains intact, you're not really sort of truly looking corrective. And you look at these momentum indicators, they're still pretty strong, aren't they? They're not really decisively deteriorating. The RSI is still above 70, the MACD line's sort of just tailing off a touch, and really reflective of a broken uptrend rather than a real strong corrective signal. But the market is sort of posting lower highs on a daily basis now, which suggests a little bit of a slip, but nothing yet decisive in terms of a corrective outlook. And a close below 23.20 would change that, I think, near term. That would certainly put the market under pressure towards sort of testing the 22.10 area, 21.65 area, sort of the old supports of this mid-January range. But for now, the bulls have reacted positively again today, and I think we're still sort of hanging on to this outlook. And you look on the hourly chart, again, nothing really decisively corrective about this. The RSI holding up above 30 on the hourly. Little bit of corrective sort of drift, really, under 60 on the hourly RSI. So it's more of a corrective drift rather than a decisive move to the downside. And you've got the resistance, 24.30 area. From yesterday's sort of highs to sort of hold the market back from a recovery. But if the market does move above 24.30, it's sort of back in the upswing again. So it is sort of in the balance at the moment, and whether the Euro bulls will sort of let the market fall too far before sort of buying back in again, because it certainly seems as though that the euro is very strong still. And the outlook technically remains positive. It's just the fact that we've broken that uptrend and just sort of slipped a touch, but nothing decisive yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.